Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for November 2023. Napakabilis ng panahon. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your sun, moon, rising, Venus for other messages. Ayan, and thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And also, please check out my Shopee shop. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, Gemini, let's see what's coming to you ngayong November 2023 for Gemini. Gemini. Wow. O, kayo na, Gemini. Ang ganda. Okay. So, Gemini, your overall energy for November is the Six of Wands. So, the Six of Wands is about success, being well-known, no? Maaring marirecognize ang inyong galing, ang talino ninyo, no, yung mga potentials ninyo sa trabaho, sa career ninyo, or maaring meron din kayong mga mga admirers, no, na humahanga sa inyong kakayanan. Ayan. May success dito. And then, your challenge is the Empress. I think, maaring magiging very busy kayo ngayong November to the point na hindi nyo na masyadong mapagtutuunan ng pansin yung sarili nyo para alagaan, no? So, practice self-love and self-care pa rin pagdating ng November. And maaring meron din kayong mga creative ideas na maaring mahirapan kayo na isakatuparan, no? Dahil sa mga bagay na pinagkakaabalahan ninyo. Oo, maaring may mga iba pa kayong pwede sanang i-explore, kaya lang kayo ay medyo busy, no? Ngayong November. And also, you have the opportunity here. Ito yung opportunity ninyo, the Lovers. The Lovers is about commitment. This is also about making a decision, no? So, maaring meron kang opportunity to finally make a decision kung saan ka mas mapapabuti, no? This can be sa relationship or sa business or sa trabaho mo, no? So, maaring meron kang papasuking commitment ngayong November. Yan yung opportunity for you. And the blessing, tingnan nyo naman, Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles talks about having more than enough, no? So, pagdating sa finances ninyo, hindi nyo kailangan problemahin yan kasi, papasok yung income. Of course, kailangan meron kayong ginagawa, no? Meron kayong actions na tinitake para mangyari yan. But for some of you naman, maaring, alam niyo, madadamay ka rin sa swerte ng isang kapamilya, no? Na maaring isi-share nila yung blessings nila sa'yo or pwedeng meron ka ring matatanggap na mana from your parents or grandparents. Pagdating sa family, whatever you need for your family, it will be provided ngayong November. So, for the money naman, you have the Seven of Swords. So, since, yung pasok ng pera, marami. May tendency na meron dyang mangupit or merong deceitful energy kasi na pwedeng kumuha ng gamit mo or pera mo nang hindi mo alam. Yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng merong mag-offer sa'yo ng opportunity na sasabihin, mag-invest ka rito sa ganyan kasi since marami kang pera, yung extra pera mo, i-invest mo na sa ganitong bagay. So, be careful, kasi maaring maka-meet ka ng tao na magte-take advantage sa'yo. Oo, so make sure na i-research mo yung papasukin mong financial na anything na financial opportunities, investment, ganyan. Okay? So, when it comes to your career, Page of Cups, some of you are starting an endeavor, no? Pwedeng pangarap ninyo to na matagal yun ang pangarap, bata pa lang kayo, pangarap nyo na, and you are finally making things happen for your career. Yung iba sa inyo, you're very creative and also intuitive, no? Alam nyo kung ano yung makakabuti pagdating sa inyong career. And then, ito naman yung love life ninyo, King of Swords energy. So when it comes to your love life, I feel like you have matured, no? You have grown so much to the point na you want a mature type of relationship na hindi na tipong parang laro-laro lang for you. Gusto mo yung relationship may patutunguhan, meron kayong future together if you are in a relationship. But if you are not in a relationship, what I'm seeing here is you're going to be very strict, no? Magiging stricto ka sa mga makakasalamuha mo or bibigyan mo ng attention sa relationship. Kumbaga, hindi ka basta-basta papasok sa isang relationship ng hindi ka sigurado. Oo. Kumbaga, mataas yung iyong standards. What is the Six of Wands? You have the Hermit. I think itong success mo is coming from someone na marami ng pinagdaanan sa buhay and you already know kung paano mo ina-navigate yung life mo, no? I think meron ka mga projects na ginawa on your own. Parang ano to talagang self-made. Oo. You have the Magician. Ayun na nga, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong mga creative skills na pwedeng hindi nyo pa na-explore. May mga talents pa kayo na hindi nyo pa na-explore na maaring mag-cause ng frustration for some of you, no? You also have the King of Cups. May opportunity for love life yung iba sa inyo, Gemini, if you are looking for a romantic relationship. Someone who is mature, no? Mature sa relationship, pwedeng by age or yung mentality, no? Yung emotional maturity. What is the Ten of Pentacles? You have the Five of Cups. So when it comes to your blessing, I think, no, marami ka ng mga natutunan from your past pagdating sa pag-handle ng finances. Maaring nakaranas ka ng mga financial struggles, issues, problems in the past na yung mga learnings mo doon, yun yung ina-apply mo ngayon or i-apply mo ngayong November na mas matalino ka na kasi alam mo na yung mga dapat mong pahalagahan pagdating sa finances. What is the Seven of Swords, the Strength card? So, some of you, maaring you may be dealing with a Leo, merong Leo placement. I think, when it comes to your finances, you have to be strong and firm in handling your finances. Kumbaga, may mga times kasi na mabilis tayong maawa, ganyan, or malambot ang ating mga puso para sa mga taong, humihingi ng tulong. But hindi lahat kasi ng humihingi ng tulong talagang kailangan nila. Minsan, they just take advantage of your kindness. So, kung ano lang yung kaya mo, no? Okay. So, what is the Page of Cups? You have the Five of Swords. So, this is for your career. Alam niyo sa career ninyo, Gemini, medyo mataas yung competition. May mga naiinggit sa paligid ninyo. Okay? So, just be careful in dealing with these people. Yung mga kailangan mong pagkatiwalaan, piliin mo lang. And then, you have the Eight of Cups. Oh, sa love life, yung iba sa inyo, you might be walking away from a relationship na hindi na nagwo-work for you. It means na hindi ka na masaya or hindi na siya exciting for you. You may be walking away from that situation. Parang kumbaga may mga na-realize ka sa connection na ito na alam mong hindi pala para sa'yo. So, this can be a romantic connection. Pwede rin sa family. Pwede rin tong sa friends. True love come to me. Ayan, yung iba sa inyo talaga merong love life na parating. Dream sweet, sleep deep. Ayan. So, for some of you naman, pagdating ng November, mas makakatulog kayo ng maayos. Maybe because of the peace of mind na may experience ninyo. And then, abundance. Wow, Gemini. Talaga naman. Maraming blessings. So, ayan na siguro yung mga bonus na marireceive ninyo ngayong November. Mga incentives. 'Di ba? Ganda. Use your keen perception and skill in making decisions. Do not delay. Ayan. Your keen perception. This can mean connecting with your instinct, your intuition, pag may mga decision making ka. Di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, yung opportunity ninyo, itong the lovers is also making a decision. And then your dreams and desires are calling you to action. The journey begins today. Ayan. So ito yung mga gusto nyong gawin, mga plano ninyo na parang isinasantabi nyo ng mga nakaraan. Ngayong November, finally, magkakaroon ka na ng lakas ng loob, no, na gawin yan, subukan na yan. Kasi you'll never know na dyan ka pala mas magiging successful. Okay? So, for your final message, Gemini, homeward, take yourself out on a date. O, diba? Ito yung challenge ninyo kanina na nabanggit ko na may mga times na sobrang busy ka, marami kang inaasikaso, at yung sarili mo hindi mo na nabibigyan ng attention. So, kahit mag-isa ka lang, you can go out, treat yourself, have a wonderful massage, or yun nga, magpamasahe ka, manicure, pedicure, or kung ano man na makakapagpa-relax sa'yo. Don't forget to take care of yourself. So, that is your reading, Gemini. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Gemini. See you again.